A vibrant, spicy, aromatic chili oil should be a staple in everyone's pantry. Welcome to Cooking with Chef Tuan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my all-time favorite Asian condiments, hot chili oil. Now this is a very simple process, but you have to follow these instructions step by step to make sure that you don't burn your ingredients. And speaking of ingredients, they will all be listed in the description box down below. And then also go ahead, smash that thumbs up button down there, give this a like, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. Starting with 3 heads of garlic, 8 fresh Fresno chilies. I'm using red Chinese chili flakes, and I'm also using dried Thai chili flakes, which brings some heat. Then 2 cups of a neutral flavored oil, 2 sticks of cinnamon. I have 8 little pods of star anise, and then about 1.5 tablespoons of Sichuan peppercorns, tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I have 1.5 tablespoons of black vinegar, and then 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Now here, avoid using pre-minced garlic. You can use one that's already peeled, or if you're using whole heads of garlic, just cut off the bottoms and do what I'm doing right here. Put it into a bowl, cover it with another bowl, and just give it a nice vigorous shake for about a minute. As you can see, most of the skins should peel off. You will find some garlic cloves that still have the skin on it. It's no big deal. Just go ahead and peel it off. And then I'm using a food processor just to give it a nice chop. You definitely can do this by hand if you don't have a food processor. But this is the consistency that you're looking for. Nice and finely chopped. You don't want to paste, but this is about as fine as you want to go. And then with your 8 Fresno chilies, you just want to split them in half and remove the seeds. And then give them a quick rinse, and then into the food processor it goes. Now you want to blitz this to about the same consistency as the garlic. Now these next steps are very important. In a small sauce pot, you're going to add about 1/4 cup of our oil, and then you're going to add our Sichuan peppercorns, our star anise, and our cinnamon sticks, all in cold oil. Then we're going to turn this on high. We want to bring this up to temperature, that way we can avoid burning our spices. Now in a separate saucepan, add the remaining amount of oil, add our garlic, and turn your heat on to a medium-high. We're going to cook this for about 10-15 minutes. And during this time, our spices should be coming up to a sizzle. What you want to do is you want to turn off the heat, let that sit for about a minute, and then strain it. You'll be left with a nice flavorful oil. Now after 10-15 minutes of cooking our garlic, you're going to see that it's a nice golden brown color. Then we're going to add our red Fresno chilies. Now continue stirring on a medium-high heat for another 10-15 minutes. As you can see, these Fresnos are really turning this a nice vibrant red color. Now after 10-15 minutes of simmering, we're going to be adding our dried Chinese pepper flakes, which adds a really nice smoky flavor to our chili oil. Now we have some dried Thai chili flakes, which is going to add another level of complexity to our chili oil, as well as a little bit of intense heat. We are creating a lot of flavor right here, from the floral Fresnos to the smoky red Chinese chili flakes and to the heat from these peppers. And just give this a nice stir, make sure everything is evenly incorporated. Then we're going to add in our flavored oil and then the rest of our ingredients. We have our salt, give this a stir, and then our soy sauce, give this another stir. Keep stirring, make sure that nothing is burning. We're almost done with our chili oil. And at this point, you can go ahead and turn off the heat, but continue to stir a little bit. And then we're going to add our sesame oil to our chili oil, which is going to perfume this and give this a really nice nutty flavor. And now your chili oil is done. You should have a really nice, bright, vibrant, and very aromatic condiment. That's perfect for any dish that you want to add some spice to. And here I just have some dumplings that I picked up from the store, and I'm going to dress this with some soy sauce, some black vinegar, and our beautiful chili oil that we just made. And I'm going to go ahead and garnish this with some scallions and some sesame seeds. And just look at how beautiful and vibrant this chili oil is. Guys, definitely go ahead and give this a try. You'll never buy chili oil ever again. All right, guys, so we made some delicious hot chili oil, and I just put them on some of these little dumplings here that I got from the store. I think in the future, we're definitely gonna have a dumpling video, but I just wanted to get right into this. So underneath here, I do have some, hold on, let me bring you guys in here. Here, as you can see, I do have some soy sauce, some black vinegar down there, you know, and then I dressed it with scallions and sesame seeds. So look at how nice and beautiful this chili oil is. Look at that. All right, let's dig into this. Let's see what we got here. Look, guys. You can taste the garlic. Definitely taste the garlic. Now, if you're not familiar with Fresno's, you can taste a little bit of the floral note from the fresh chilies that we put in here. Then the Chinese chilies has this really nice smoky element. And then the Thai chilies brings the heat. And then also you get a little bit of the numbing effect. Not too much, but the little numbing effect of the Sichuan peppercorns. And then the cinnamon and the star anise. And the sesame comes through really nicely too. So this is perfect for any kind of food, you know, not just Asian food, but whatever you want to add a little spice to, this condiment is perfect for it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy the content, smash that like button down below. It looks like this. Go ahead, do it. Leave me comments down below and also subscribe. And guys, take care of yourselves. And as always, peace.